Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online English class, and we are doing revisions now. Okay, we have started with all our revision work because we are very soon we are starting with our midterm exams. That is from 15th of October. We are starting with our midterm exams. So the whole week we are doing revision work. Okay, now today we are doing English language revision 1. Okay, now today's topic is singular and plural. You all remember, children, I gave you yesterday in English literature, I gave you revision number 2, and day before yesterday I gave you revision number 1 of lesson 3, 5 and 7, and I hope you all have completed your revision work in your revision notebooks. Those who have not completed, children, please complete your work and learn from your revision copies. Okay, now coming to today's revision, that is for topic singular and plural. Okay, so we are going to do revision 1 for this topic. Is that clear? Now, children, before starting with this topic, I would like to tell you that you all remember about singular and plural. What is a singular noun and what is a plural noun? What is a singular word and what is plural word? Singular means single, one. Okay, singular means one and plural means more than one. एक चीज़ या एक पर्सन के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो दैट विल बी सिंगुलर, और अगर हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, एक से ज़्यादा की चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे या एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे, देन वी विल से दैट दिस इज़ अ प्लूरल वर्ड. ओके, आई होप दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ क्लियर टू यू ऑल. सो before starting with the revision, children, as you all know that when I give you revision video, I explain you the whole revision with answers. Okay, but with this same video I give you the assignment, and in that assignment I will not write the answers. Okay, so you only have to write the answers on your own. So for writing answers on your own, you should know that what you are writing, what is the main thing which is asked in the question. Okay, so for that, for knowing that what you have to write in the answers, you have to follow the video which I am explaining. Okay, आपको वो वीडियो बहुत ध्यान से देखनी चाहिए जिसमें मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ, जिससे कि आपको पता रहे कि आपको आंसर्स में क्या लिखना है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद today's revision 1 video. Children, singular means one, as you all know. एक चीज़ के बारे में या एक पर्सन के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो दैट इज़ अ सिंगुलर वर्ड. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन पीपल और मोर देन वन थिंग, देन दैट इज़ अ प्लूरल वर्ड. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज राइट द प्लूरल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग सिंगुलर वर्ड्स. अब यहाँ मैंने कुछ आपको वर्ड्स दिए हैं जो कि सिंगुलर में है. एक है, ओके, कैट, बर्ड, चेयर, टीचर, पेन, फ्लावर. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ या एक एनिमल या एक पर्सन के बारे में बात करी जा रही है. ओके, बट यू हैव टू राइट द प्लूरल्स ऑफ दोज वर्ड्स. फॉर दीज वर्ड्स, यू सिंगुलर वर्ड्स, you have to write the plural words this side. Okay, like cat will become cats, you only have to add s. Then bird will become birds, you will add s. Chair will become chairs, you will add s. Teacher will become teachers, you will add s. Pen will become pens, you will add s. Flower will become flowers, so you will add s. Okay, these are simple plural words which you will form फ्रॉम दीज सिंगुलर वर्ड्स. ओके, ये सिंपल वाले सिंगुलर वर्ड्स दिए हैं जिनमें सिर्फ एस लगा के आपको प्लूरल वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. इन एवरी वर्ड ऑन प्लूरल साइड you must see that I have written s. I have copied the whole spelling of cat as it is. पूरी cat की स्पेलिंग मैंने ऐसे ही लिखी है और उसके आगे s लगा दिया. ओके, तो दीज आर ऑल सिंपल वंस. ये सिंपल वाले सिंगुलर प्लूरल्स हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? कैट, कैट्स, bird birds, chair chairs, teacher teachers, pen pens, flower flowers. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this part. Okay, now simple singular plural I have given you 6. Okay, 6 words I have given you for simple singular and plural. Now I will continue with other words also. Okay, so now children, 7th word from 7 to 12. Here I have given some words in which you will add es, okay, to form the plurals. जब आप इन वर्ड्स के आगे es लगाओगे तो उनका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? अब यू शुड नो दैट वेयर यू विल पुट es, कौन से वर्ड्स के आगे आप es लगाएंगे. ओके, अभी जो 1 to 6 मैंने आपको वर्ड्स बताए थे, दैट वाज ओनली फॉर एडिंग s एंड द प्लूरल वर्ड्स वर फॉर्म्ड. उनमें आपने खाली s ऐड किया था और प्लूरल्स बन गए थे. नाउ अब आपको 7 to 12 तक मैंने वो वर्ड्स दिए हैं जिनमें आपको es लगाना है. ओके, अब es लगाने के लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से वर्ड्स में हमें es लगाना है. सो फॉर दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन. Whenever the word is ending with s, double s, sh, ch, o and x, जब भी कोई भी वर्ड s से एंड हो रहा हो, डबल s से एंड हो रहा हो, sh से एंड हो रहा हो, ch से एंड हो रहा हो, o से एंड हो रहा हो या x से एंड हो रहा हो, तब हम उन वर्ड्स का प्लूरल es लगा के फॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, इन वर्ड्स के आगे हम तब es लगाते हैं जब हमारे वर्ड्स में s, डबल s, sh, ch, o या x आता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो for forming the plural forms of these words, you must remember that if you are forming the word gases, so you should remember that your singular word should end with s. If the word is ending with s, only then you will put es in the plural column. Okay, अगर डबल s से एंड होगा तो आप es लगाएंगे, sh से एंड होगा तब आप es लगाएंगे, ch से एंड होगा तब आप es लगाएंगे, o से होगा तब आप es लगाएंगे एंड x से होगा तब es लगाएंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? बट रिमेंबर, आपको ये वर्ड्स बिल्कुल हटाने नहीं है. आपको एज इट इज सिंगुलर वर्ड कॉपी करना है और उसके आगे es को लगा देना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो योर वर्ड विल बिकम गैस, gases, glass, glasses, dish, dishes, watch, watches, mango, mangoes, box, boxes. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this part also. Now, coming to other part, children, from 13 to 15, I have given 3 more words in which you have to add ies to form plural words. Okay, this side you are given with singular words and this side you are forming plural words. But in number 13, 14 and 15, I have given you the words in which you have to add ies to form the plural word. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको सारे सिंगुलर वर्ड्स दिए हैं और इधर आपको प्लूरल वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. बट 13, 14 और 15 में मैंने आपको कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे दिए हैं जिनमें ies का फॉर्म होगा. ओके, ies लगा के प्लूरल वर्ड बनेगा. अब नाउ यू शुड नो दैट वेयर यू हैव टू फॉर्म अ प्लूरल वर्ड बाय राइटिंग ies. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको कौन से वर्ड्स में प्लूरल बनाने के लिए ies लगाना है. ओके, सो रिमेंबर very clearly, children, that any singular word which is ending with y, okay, कोई भी singular word अगर y से end हो रहा है तो in that case while writing the plural word we will remove y and we will add ies. Is that clear? कोई भी word, children, जो भी y से end होगा, make it very clear in your minds, children, that जो भी word आपका y से end हो रहा होगा उसमें हम प्लूरल बनाने के लिए y को बिल्कुल हटा देंगे और ies लगा देंगे. लाइक लेडी, लेडीज, कॉपी, कॉपीज, puppy, puppies. Is that clear? Y will not be written when you are writing the plural word. Okay? जो भी वर्ड्स y से एंड होंगे उनमें आपको ies लगाना है, लेकिन y को हटा देना है. If the spelling is given lady, lady, so the plural will be ladies, ladies. Y नहीं लगेगा बीच में. Is that clear? Lady, ladies, copy, copies, puppy, puppies. Is that clear? We have removed y and we have added ies to all these three words. Is that clear, children? I hope this part is also clear to you all. Now, coming to the words from 16 to 18. 16, 17 and 18. These three words I have given you to show that in these kinds of words, the singular word is same, the plural word is same as the singular word. Okay? इसमें हम जब plural लिखते हैं तो हमारा word change नहीं होता, ना हम उसमें s लगाते हैं, ना es लगाते हैं, ना ही ies लगाते हैं. Okay? वो word as it is वही word लिखा जाता है जो singular में होता है. Like sheep will be written same as sheep, fish will be written same as fish, deer will be written same as deer. Is that clear, children? Till now I hope you all are clear that when the words are ending with s, double s, ch, sh, o and x, there you have to write es to form their plurals, and when the words are ending with y, there you have to add ies to the words, and there are some words in which plurals are as same as the singular words. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this. Now children, coming to the last part, in this I have given you some words from 19 to 24, and here also there are two types. Okay? Now first is that when the words are ending with f and fe. 19th word and 20th word I have given of f and fe. They are ending with f. One word is ending with f and one word is ending with fe. Okay? So when the words are ending with f and fe, there you have to write ves. Okay? जैसे y के साथ में था, जब कोई भी वर्ड के एंड में y होता था, जब y से एंड होता था वो वर्ड, तो हम y को हटा के ies लगाते थे प्लूरल में. यहाँ पे हम f या fe को हटा के और ves लगा देंगे. Is that clear? So leaf will become leaves, wife will become wives. Okay? But remember, children, very carefully that whenever if you are changing the singular word to plural word, and if they are ending with y, f, fe, then there you have to remove y, f and fe in the plural, and you have to add ies or ves. Okay? जब y का केस होगा तो हम y हटा के ies लगा देंगे. जब f और fe का केस होगा तो हम f और fe हटा के ves लगा देंगे. So leaf will become leaves, wife will become wives. Is that clear? Now coming to some more words in which, children, in the singular words, children, the words are written with vowels. Okay? इनमें कहीं ना कहीं vowels हैं. Okay? But when you are forming the plural word, then there plural while forming the plural word, we will remove the vowel and we will replace it with another vowel. Okay? A will be replaced with E. Okay? O will be replaced with E. You will not add any vowel. Only E will be replaced. Okay? Like man will become men. M-A-N, man. Here the vowel is A. So A will be removed and E will be added. M-E-N, men. Here we are talking about 1 foot. F-O-O-T, foot. But here in the plural, double O of foot will be removed and double E for feet will be added. Okay. Now woman, WOMAN, woman. Like man, here is also word man, so woman will become woman. Okay, so A will be removed and E will be added. Is that clear? Tooth will become teeth, double O will be removed and double E will be added. Is that clear? Man will become men, foot will become feet, woman will become woman and tooth will become teeth. So children, I hope you all have understood this topic, and I hope you will all be able to write these answers in your notebooks on your own. Okay, so today I will be giving you the same revision which I have explained you with 24 words. Okay, and remember children, normal words, normal singular words will be while forming the plural form, we will add S. Okay, then when the words are ending with Y, then we will add IES. Okay, when the words are ending with S, double S, CH, SH, X and O, there we will add ES. Okay, then we will write the whole spelling and then we will add ES to those words. When the words are ending with Y, I told you that also, that when the singular words are ending with Y, so while writing the plural, we will remove Y and we will add IES. And when the words are ending with F and FE, there also we will remove F and FE to form the plural words and we will add VES. Is that clear? And in some cases, we don't change anything. The spelling of singular word will remain the same as the spelling of plural word. Okay. Now, in some cases children, vowels are changed to another vowel. Only we have to change the vowel from A to E, O to E. Okay, only E will be replaced. Okay, man will become men, foot will become feet, woman will become woman and tooth will become teeth. Is that clear children? So I hope you all have understood this topic very clearly and you will not make any mistake while writing in the exams. Okay, so children, please be prepared for your exams and I hope you all have understood. Okay, so with this video I will be giving you all these 24 words and I will not write the answers. I will give you the blank spaces and there you have to fill it with your own answers. Okay, so till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.